everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are doing the fine thin hair on myself, and I've just looked in the mirror, and do you ever have days where your hair feels extra fine? Like today it just feels like there's nothing there, but we will work with what we've got. So I'm going to do a little compilation over the next few weeks of quick, easy, 2-minute styles. So this is the first one. It's a little bit of a hybrid of what we did the other day, but it's like a half up version. So let me know what you think. So I've left out my little front bits, guys. You'll have seen me do that in other videos. Don't forget to check out my playlist for fine, thin hair. Now, we've done this before, but as an updo. We're gonna do it as a half updo. It looks really cute. I'm gonna show you how to pin it. Now, I still feel like I'm really desperate to get my hair done at the minute, so it's quite dark at the root. So I'm just going to use a little bit of like a dry shampoo. The one I'm using today is almost like a volume puff. You've seen me use it before, but a dry shampoo would be fine. And it'll just help with a little bit of the gappiness there. Okay, so to start this style, you're going to start at the top, just taking a small section of hair and just twisting it away from the face, so towards the back of the head. And then I'm going to take another little section of hair, and I'm just going to add it in and just keep twisting. Another section of hair, add it in, keep twisting, and keep going down. And then I'm just going to stop there, because the reason I like it is I feel like it kind of like fills my hair out. It makes me look like I've got more hair from the side than what I've got. And then I'm going to show you how to pin it. So I'm just going to take a hairpin, or hair grip I call them, and I'm just going to open it up slightly, and I'm just going to start at where my finger is, and then I'm just going to push that straight up the sort of funnel bit that we've created, so just straight up like that. Okay, so same on the other side. So I did say this was going to be super quick, and I'll just show you how I'm going to just do a teeny tiny bit of back comb on the sides at the end, just to really highlight the volume that we've created. So we're sliding straight up that funnel again, guys. And I'm just popping another one in that right hand side, because I never feel like it feels as secure. I think it must be the angle of my hands. So just taking a little bit of hairspray, just a soft hold, making sure there's no frizzes. I'll get a lot of baby hairs there. Now, I'm just going to take hold of this section of hair that we kind of twisted, and just really, really gently underneath that section, just push back with the brush just slightly, and then just hold it, and then kind of brush it out. I just want it to appear, can you see the difference there if I look directly at the camera? I want it to appear like I've just got lots of hair. I don't. I'm going to do the same on this side again, really, really gently. So I just think that's really cute and simple. If you struggle with the pinning bits, guys, just get a little elastic and just tie them at the back. You haven't got to do the pinning thing. I just kind of prefer that, but I definitely think from the front, it looks like I've got a lot more hair. I'll give you a shot from the back. And that's it from the side, guys, and from the back it looks super cute. So you can wear the hair back like that. You can kind of like bring some of it forward. You could give it a little bit of a curl if you wanted to, but yeah, cute hairstyle for work, for going out, you tell me. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye.